All right, St. Paul School students, let's see if you can't decode this top secret message. You should pay attention to the onboard LED here and the external LED, and of course you can hear it from the piezo. You can look at any or listen to any of those. Okay, here we go. Code's uploading now. Ignore that and ignore that. Okay, here comes the code. First letter. Second letter. Third letter and first word. Okay, this is the second letter, or the second word. All right, that's it for the second word, and that's it for the message. Let's hear it again. Okay, let's look at the output now. So that letter was A. B. C. So not really a word, but there you go. First message. There you go. And then it just repeats. Now, the space between letters and the space between words was greatly exaggerated to make it easier for non-Morse code senders to read the code. Okay, there you go.